Organize finances, with a simple income expenditure overview. Organize finances or keep an eye on finances. Not just an exciting topic if you find it difficult to deal with money, but for everyone who wants to be careful with their money, this is necessary. Step 1, Salary, Income. What comes in on average every month? The first and important step is to see how much money is coming in every month. This includes everything that has a positive effect on your account balance. Your salary/wages, rental income, interest, money from the office, etc. If the earnings vary on a monthly basis, we would recommend recording the lowest amount. This is because we recommend calculating rather cautiously. The average of the last 6 or 12 months can also be taken. And for the purposes of a simple entry to the topic, we also recommend rounding the amounts. It's about getting a feeling or an overview. It is enough if you calculate $660 instead of $657.65. Step 2, Expenses. What are your monthly fixed and variable expenses? Fixed/fixed expenses include rent, insurance, electricity, retirement plans, telephone and other contracts. Everything that is paid monthly, quarterly, or annually in the same amount. It is easier to note all payments that have to be paid only once a year. For example, insurances. Add up all annual payments and divide them by 12. The result has to be put aside every month in order to pay the insurance once a year. The last part is the variable expenses and purchases, groceries, cosmetics, etc. Shopping, clothes, technology, massage, going out for dinner, hairdresser. All the things that have a different level every month but could also be omitted. If you are planning, you can estimate here or use the average of the last month. This is exactly the approach we recommend in controlling budget phases for many years. In the end, you'll probably be happy when you are able to conjure up income or when you have room for spending a few dollars more. How much have you left at the end of the month? Income minus expenditure equals. If you spend more money than you get in. Ask yourself, where can I reduce something? Is it enough to reduce the variable expenses? For example, go to the hairdresser less often, reduce cash expenses, etc. Could it help if you record and check your cash payments daily for a certain period of time? Do fixed expenses also have to be reduced? Should contracts be adjusted or terminated? It is worthwhile to terminate, update contracts regularly in order to get the best price-performance ratio. What to do if the numbers don't match? I go through all income, expenses again and compare it with the account statement. Did you forget something? Are you spending too much cash? Do I have the wrong number somewhere? If all else fails, write down every issue every day for 1 month. If there is money left at the end of the month, treat yourself. Invest the money. Take care of your retirement provision. Think about whether you can generally cope with less and whether you can work less. Organize finances, alternatives. We recommend always starting with the simplest means, that's paper and pen. The money doesn't get any more and the financial situation doesn't get better either if you spend a lot of money on a tool. However, if you want to do further analysis, there is an alternative for you. There are so-called multi-banking tools. You can connect all your bank accounts and have all bank postings, including credit card, PayPal, etc. At a glance. Cash payments can also be recorded there. For the future. If you do the before described procedure in detail, you should quickly get a good overview of what is coming in and what are your expenses. If you enjoy this, you can continue doing it monthly. Otherwise, a yearly look at the monthly finances is sufficient. Check your account statements weekly and carefully. Download account statements from online platforms, because they are not kept there forever. Keep an eye on your cash payments, if necessary with a mini household book or app. If you like, you can optimize contracts, too, to get the best price-performance ratio for yourself. And of course, this should always be done when you find that your finances are getting out of hand. It is important to face reality and then draw your conclusions. For this, it has to be seen and felt once, no matter how difficult or devastating it is. And finally, another pro tip for you. Put money aside as soon as you can, just in case there's an emergency. You will be happy once the emergency hits you. And now, have fun organizing your finances and savings with the good feeling of being ahead of the game.